Good evening, guys. This is me just doing a very quick review on the Break Free Trading, the Neuro package. Been with Break Free Trading previously and was very interested in the actual Neuro side of things. I do a lot of existing AI bot trading anyway, mostly prop firm, trying to basically get funded accounts. So I just thought I'd do a very quick review just for anybody who's thinking about it, the Neuro sign up. I'm going to be really honest, I try and set Neuro up for failure. I took an old existing prop farm account, 400k account, with the funded trader through Think Markets, which has got some of the worst slippage, some of the worst issues when it comes to prop farming. And it was basically an account that was about 6.5% in the red, and I connected Neuro to it. I've got a VPS. I purposely didn't put it through the VPS. And then for anybody who doesn't know much about kind of using AI bots to trade, December through till about 14th of January is the absolute worst time to be trying to work with prop firm accounts. There's just not enough volatility normally. So most of us guys who use prop farming techniques will actually turn our bots off for most of December through till 14th of January. And then we'll start to launch and try and secure new challenge accounts from there. So I literally set Neuro up for failure. No VPS, really crap prop firm account, an old one, with poor slippage, really bad spreads, horrendous, right? And it did so well the last week to 10 days that what I did, I basically went from the Wings plan, which was the $33 a month, and I just went straight to the God plan, $249 a month, I think, from memory, and very impressed. Out of 6.5%, that account is now only in the red about 2.5%, so it's done about 4% in its first 10 days, which is incredible. And that's with really bad slippage, no VPS. I mean, some of the millisecond times are terrible because the distance I am from the main servers. I'm in Auckland, New Zealand, couldn't get further away from New York if I tried. Massive commissions, massive spreads. It's still done so well. So anybody who's really kind of unsure, doesn't know whether this thing's the real deal or not, give it a try. Go and find a demo account, get yourself the Wings plan, which covers 2 active markets, and have a wee play with it. I guarantee very quickly you'll be looking at other plans. So my plan going forward, now I'm happy with Neuro. I can see what it does. It does what it says on the tin. And just to give people some comfort, and I'll provide proof of this to the guys, Anton and the guy if needed, I've had 41 winning trades in a row. 41. Some of them quite small, but some of them some decent size wins, a 400k prop farming account. So it's doing extremely well. I'm really happy with it. I'll now, 14th of January onwards, I'll basically switch it across to a new prop farming account. I've got a new one I want to try. I'll put it through my VPS, and we'll give it a go in a much better market with much more volatility, and I can only ever see the results being better. So guys, give it a go. I've been a long-term client of the guys at Break Free, but I came away from them because I've really shifted my interest to AI trading, and now here I've come back. So yeah, if in doubt, sign up, give it a go. You'll be very impressed. Thanks to the team for bringing it to the market. It's been very impressive that I've seen so far. We'll have some down days. We're going to have some correction, right? It happens. But the hit rate I've seen, I know what I'll be using going forward to try and secure more funded accounts, and then keep it, on funded accounts, just trying to get 2.5 to 5% a month on some of these big, large accounts. Yeah, check it out, guys. Very impressed. Definitely recommend it. Yeah, if you come on board, get active, make sure that you're plugging into the community and making this thing, do its best. From a setup point of view, literally 10 minutes. There's a fantastic PDF that you follow. The videos are really self-explanatory. If you can literally turn on a computer or set up a VPS, right, you'll be able to set this up, no problems at all. So awesome product, guys. Thank you. Really pleased customer here. And yeah, we'll stay in touch and speak soon. All the best.
Get Neural Mode today and start extracting money from markets on autopilot.